Let's talk about Killer Hogs TX Brisket Rub. So what do you think about the flavor profile on this one, Ms. Freak?
We scored this one a 5-1-5-3 on our flavor guide scale, so you know those flavors are going to be big and bold.
Yeah, 5's as big as it gets, folks. And you know I like salt on my brisket. It's all in here. In fact, I like salt on pretty much everything, so I'll use this on pretty much anything. Any kind of beef, ribeye steak in the backyard, leg of lamb, lamb chops, game, veggies, what else?
Oven potatoes.
Why not oven potatoes? So it's got authentic Texas flavor that comes from big ol' salt, pepper, and garlic. Massive bark builder right here. Doesn't have a lot of color to it because you can see it's pretty light stuff, but if you're down in Texas, they're gonna argue salt, pepper, and garlic is all that you need. And now that I've had this on a brisket, would you argue back?
Nope.
Nope. This stuff rules. Try it on brisket. Killer Hogs TX Brisket Rub.